These facts honestly feel illegal to know, but they're completely real.
I have 3 hearts, and 2 literally stop working when I swim. So yeah, exercise is extremely dangerous for me.
Fun fact, I'm slightly radioactive, so technically, your healthy snack has radiation. Sharks existed before trees, meaning sharks were already swimming the oceans while Earth was still figuring out forests. Every night I delete useless memories, which explains why you walked into a room and immediately forgot why.
When I get old, I simply become young again. Humans really overcomplicated aging.
And the scary part? Tomorrow, your brain will probably delete one of these facts.